Let's begin with date. Let us say I want to create a local date, say D1, and I want to do it by using local date of, and you see there are two methods. We can provide year, month, and day of month, and in this case month is an integer, and the second method that we can use where month is non-integer in the form of the month type. So let's begin with the month as an integer. Let's say you want to do it as 2020, month is 12, day of the month is 31st, and same thing if you want to do it using the other method. Say local date d2 is equal to local date of, and let's use the other method, same year and the month. You can specify using the month class. When you do month dot, you get the bunch of months over here. So if you want to choose December, it's right over here, and then the day 31st. If you show the output in the console, D1 and D2, we are going to get the same output, of course, but these are just two different ways how you can customize your date. So when we run the program, we get the output in the form of year, month, and day. So that's how you can use the of method, provide your custom date. Now let's come to the time. Let's say local time, say T1 is equal to local time dot, and again we have off here. We have three methods. We can just specify hour and minutes, say something like 20 hours and say 45 minutes, and let me do it two more time for these two other methods, say T2, and over here let's use time of the second method where we provide hour, minutes, and seconds, say 15 hours and 30 minutes and 20 seconds. And similarly, as you can imagine, the third method where we have hour, minutes, seconds, and nanoseconds. It's up to us how much precision we want, say 12 hours and 15 minutes and 24 seconds and 1 to 3 nanoseconds, for example. And let's make it T3 over here and show the output of T1, T2, and T3. Okay, and when we run the program, we see this is the output for the first T1, only hour and minutes. Second output, hour, minutes, and seconds, and third one, hour, minutes, seconds, and nanosecond. Now nanoseconds will be always is after a dot sign, not the colon. Okay, remember that's always a dot. That's how it is structured or formatted. Let's go to the next part, that is the local date time. Let me call it as DT1 off, and there are quite a lot of methods over here. You can just say date and time, specify local date, local time, so you can use pretty much say D2 and say T2. So if you already have the objects created for local date and time, you can use it here, and when you see the output, you will get the combination of date and time. So this is when you already have the date and time objects. If you do not have, that's fine. You can do it something like this. Let me just use local date time off, and the other method, like we have a bunch of methods where you can use year, month, day of month, hour, minutes, seconds, nanoseconds. So let's use the one that takes everything. So let's say year 2022, month is 06, the day of month is 24, hour is 12, minutes is 30, seconds is 45, nanoseconds is 33. And let me make it DT2, and let's show it in the output. And when you run the program, you see the output. with whatever parameters we have created. So using all these parameters, basically by using this off method, we can customize whatever date time or date time combination we wanted to generate.